Here are a couple of quick bonus tips. So now that I'm in cell A1, and if I want to reach to the end of the data set that I have, which is here C5, I can just use Control and End key combination, which will take me to the end of my data set. So what Excel is trying to do is Excel is trying to find the last cell that we have in our spreadsheet, which has some information in it. Information doesn't have to be just typed information. Even if there is some kind of formatting applied to a cell, Excel treats that as a used cell. So Excel is trying to help us quickly move to from any cell to the last used cell in our spreadsheet. So let's try again. For example, I am in cell A14 and I want to move to the last used cell in our worksheet. I can use Control and End, which will take me quickly to C5, and now C5 is my active cell. And let's also learn how we can go to the first used cell in a worksheet. So let's say I'm here in cell C9. I'm going to use Control and Home shortcut combination, and this will take me quickly to A1, and this will work from anywhere. So let's say I'm in B15, I want to do Control Home, which will take me there, and if I want to use Control End, which will take me there. So again, a couple more shortcuts which help us move from one cell in our data to another cell quickly. And in this small data set that we have, only 3 columns and 5 rows of data, this is not going to be that much useful. But let's imagine that you have 25 columns of data and hundreds of thousands of rows of data. Then moving from the first used cell to the last can be a time consuming task if you are scrolling down using your scroll bar or other methods. But if you know you want to just go to the last used cell in your spreadsheet, you can just quickly use the Control End shortcut. Again, Control End will take you to the last used cell, Control Home will take you to the first used cell.